Hey, it's Maher. Welcome back to the Pyro Yard. We're going to be playing with the powder keg. This is a, oops, I got a text message. This is a fountain device from, let's see, who is it by? Oh, I can't see because it's so blurry, and it's from National Fireworks. Is that what it is? Oh, yeah. Okay, hang on. I'm old. I need my glasses, and I'm going to put it really close to my eyes. Complies with Canadian regulation. National, oh no, that just says National Fireworks Association. Oh, it's from Mystical Fireworks. There we go, that's what I was looking for. So it's described as red, purple, and orange fountain. Ooh, colored stars. I don't really see the purple in the fountains. Red, orange, and purple. Doesn't say a duration. Doesn't really give you any information, does it? Well, a mystery powder keg. Go light that off later.
What is it?
I'll give you the name. You can find it online.
Okay, ready guys?
That's the powder keg.
I'm scared of this one.
Yeah, that's surprisingly not bad.
No, that actually wasn't. I've seen ones where it goes like different colors.
Hey, I'll take some watching.